In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to set up your NanoKontrol2 as a MIDI controller device. First of all, download the NanoKontrol2 driver from the Korg support page and also download the Korg editor. Then install the NanoKontrol driver and install the Korg editor. Afterwards, plug the NanoKontrol2 device into a USB port while pressing cycle and set. The NanoKontrol2 should then be in the CC mode or in the MIDI controller mode. There are basically two modes, the DAW mode and the CC mode. In the DAW mode you can control the audio tracks of your DAW, the volume faders, the record buttons, play buttons and the like. But you have to switch on the CC mode that NanoKontrol2 is able to control the MIDI parameters. So after you have done that, start the Korg editor. Many people are facing a problem then that the Korg editor does not recognize the NanoKontrol2 device. In this case, you have to open the registration editor. You go to Start and type in regedit and you have to start the registration editor. Then you have to go to the folder drivers 32. This is the folder structure: HKey local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows NT, then current version, and then the folder drivers 32. In this folder you have to delete the entry MIDI 1. And after you have deleted this entry, you install the Korg USB MIDI device. You are starting it, and the Korg MIDI driver setup utility will open up and you install it. And afterwards, when you open the Korg editor, the Korg editor should recognize the NanoKontrol2 device. In the Korg editor, you have to first set Midi ports manually and the NanoKontrol2 to the ports MIDI in and MIDI out 2 times. And then you can edit the numbers are the controller numbers. For example, here, this is volume. Can edit it here. Expression, I have already edited certain knobs and faders and set it to certain numbers. And then you go to write scene data and click OK, and then it is stored. The setting is stored on the NanoKontrol2. You can also save the setting. So this should work. Then you can start your DAW. And in your DAW, you have to open the preferences and enable the MIDI device NanoKontrol, MIDI in and MIDI out. Enabled. Set it to enabled. So it can also be useful to add NanoKontrol2 as a controller. This will depend on your DAW how this is done. And then it is possible to control faders of a virtual instrument. In this case, I have loaded the Legato performance palette of a Spitfire instrument Sable. So, and then, for example, I can turn on the microphones, and first of all, I have to, that this works, I have to arm a record. So, and then you see the microphone faders work. You can turn it off, on, and also the others: volume, expression, speed, portamento, vibrato, and dynamics is still on the mod wheel on the keyboard, but one can assign it to NanoKontrol, of course. 2. So you can see here CC11, CC20, and so forth. Another example, ATU Passanta. For example, one can do MIDI learn automation, and then touch the fader, the respective fader, and it works. Or also knob can be turned on and off. Or again, another example. Hammersmith. Midi down again. Or knob on off. So yes, so you can see this works and makes it a lot easier to control the user interface of a virtual instrument. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.